What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Now today is the last day of the school holidays and I want to die. In today's video, Bill's about to come over. Yeah, the guy you saw in vlog 1.
Also known as
yeah, but I have to go to school very soon, like literally in a couple of days, 2 days, or 2.5 days, because it's 10:30 right now today, and yeah, it's Friday, and 10:30, and then
I just came in.
Yeah, no, that was so funny. I was literally just vlogging and I saw him. Okay guys, so right now, I'm just chilling with Bill, you know. We're working on my speech because, yeah, I have 2 days to do it and I also have to edit a school video. I have so much shit I need to do and I also need to get a haircut because my hair is looking way too thick right now. Also, I just realized something. So I spent about $25 on these Apple Watch bands. I bought them off Wish, you know. Look exactly the same as the real ones. If I was to buy the real ones, I calculated it, it's about $475, around that. I probably should have talked about this in the intro of the video, but this is actually gonna be my first like home vlog. We're gonna go out a bit, but like nowhere except my area. So let me know if you guys do like this type of video and I can make more like this. So let me know
ain't no tellin'. Yeah. No tellin'. Ain't no tellin'. Suitcase, I've been living out of suitcase. Still drinking Henny, if it's done I take the deuce. Oops, say, fuck it, all you niggas two-faced. Got the club going up on the I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my hook.
Right now, me and Bill are making some lunch because, well, we're hungry. I did a cool little cinematics of it, as you can see, as you just saw, sorry. But just getting something from his first drone that he accidentally dropped out there. So some tomato sauce, as you can see here. Got a little knife, and yeah, just cooking up these little things. Okay guys, so right now it's really windy and my hair's screwing up, but we're about to head down to this park, and Bill's got his drone.
also known as what is sick.
Yes. Yeah, sorry if it's windy though. Oh, we're just gonna go out and I'm gonna have a turn of flying it, so that should be pretty dope. Yeah, let's do it, boys. Okay, so right now I'm recording, and yeah.
We have nothing to say.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Boys are the birds are mistreated. Even seagulls are that threatening.
Bill, let's go. We're leaving, hurry up, Bill.